And we're cooking now. The $10 million recipe for online success. Eric Holmlund's Inner Circle Profit VIP membership. For most of us, 10 million sounds like a pretty big number. Of course, it's all relative to what you're talking about. Compared to a billionaire portfolio or a country's GDP, it might seem small. Today, Eric Holmlund has released a free training series in which he reveals the quote-unquote recipe he used to make over $10 million on the internet. In this training, he reveals the exact business model and what he did to generate that amount of income. The part of this recipe that I really appreciate is that he also has a real life outside his business. He has a family with a wife and kids and spends a ton of time doing things offline that he really cares about. He also happens to be a great teacher, and I like the way he explains everything in simple terms. Whether you've been feeling discouraged, overwhelmed, or just excited about building your business, I think you'll really get a lot out of this. I encourage you to watch it today while he's made it available for free. You'll come away with some valuable things to implement in your business for greater success. And oh, by the way, the link to the free videos is below in the description.